Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing CorelDraw versus Adobe Illustrator. Now if you don't know what these two are, CorelDraw is a vector graphic design software, popular for print, signage, and layout design. And Adobe Illustrator on the other hand is the industry standard for vector design tools, and it is widely used for branding, illustration, and digital design. Now let's go over their pros and cons, starting with CorelDraw here. So the pros of CorelDraw is that it is easier and it has a lower learning curve for beginners. It is also excellent for print and layout tasks, and you can only purchase it with a one-time purchase option. So you will not need to pay monthly for this or annually. It is only a one-time pay option. So let's go over to Adobe Illustrator here. So the pros of Adobe Illustrator is that it is the industry standard with broad adoption. It has deep integration with Adobe Creative Cloud, and it has advanced vector tools and plugins. Now the cons of it is that it is expensive, and it has a steeper learning curve, and it can be resource heavy for your machine. So which one is right for you? So you should use CorelDraw if you work mostly in print or signage and prefer a simpler tool with a one-time cost. And you should choose Adobe Illustrator for professional cross-platform design work with powerful features and industry recognition. And that is it. That is the difference between CorelDraw and Adobe Illustrator. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.